You've completed the CCTV installation. The cameras are working. The project is handed over and the customer is satisfied. But the relationship doesn't have to end there. That completed installation can become a recurring AMC contract, creating ongoing revenue while keeping customers connected to your service through planned maintenance and continued support. With story.mapog.com, you can manage this transition from installation to AMC within the same workflow. Once the customer is ready for maintenance, the AMC can be created with the required responsible technician, maintenance frequency, and start date. This gives your team a clear structure for managing the customer after installation. This means maintenance doesn't have to depend on someone remembering a date or manually checking a spreadsheet. The planned visits are organized according to the AMC schedule, giving your team a clear view of what needs to happen and when. Technicians can see their upcoming AMC assignments, while your team can manage active contracts and scheduled maintenance from one place. You can also manage the AMC stages to track the progress of the entire maintenance cycle. Once the AMC contract is created, the workflow moves through the maintenance visit stage. Track every AMC stage, from contract to renewal, in one workflow. If there are any specific questions, you can also add questions to the completion form. This gives the CCTV company a complete picture of the AMC lifecycle, not just the contract itself, but what is happening at each stage. Managers can quickly identify upcoming visits, completed maintenance, pending activities, and contracts that are approaching renewal. So instead of completing an installation and waiting for the next project, you're turning that existing customer into a long-term service opportunity. One installation can lead to multiple planned maintenance visits and recurring AMC revenue. That's how CCTV companies can move beyond one-time installations and build a more sustainable service business. To explore more GIS tools, visit story.mapog.com. For assistance, contact support at mapog.com.